Hi everyone, I've got a special guest this morning, and this is my daughter Samantha, and she had a project yesterday that turned out really cute, and I just want to show it to you. So I don't know, she was kind of quiet and disappeared for quite a while, and just want to show this. So Samantha made this cute little herb garden, and she did this all by herself, and she potted everything up, but then she did these really cute little stones and painted up the little stones. Samantha, so how did you do these up?
Well, I grabbed stones from the waterfall, like larger, smooth ones, and then I did 2 coats of just white paint. Then I took colored Sharpies, and I wrote the name of the Sharpie or the plant on there, and then colored them in with cute little designs.
Oh, they turned out really cute. So it was just a little Sharpie?
Yep, normal Sharpie, just colored.
So like you wrote basil with the regular Sharpie, and then you didn't use paint for the decorating. You just used a Sharpie right over the white paint.
Yep, the only paint we had was white paint, so I was kind of limited with what I could do, but I thought they turned out pretty cute.
Yeah, they did. They turned out really neat. So what do we all have here? We've got parsley, thyme, basil I saw over here, rosemary, and oregano. And then we have over in this one, what else do we have?
We have 3 plants of lavender and then 1 catnip.
Catnip? We don't even have a cat.
Nope, but I know some people who do.
Yep. So, however, the catnip is a mosquito repellent, so we can always use that to keep mosquitoes away. And what else do we have?
Just more lavender.
Oh, lavender. I love lavender. I love the smell of lavender. So that turned out really cute how you did the lavender one. So and then what do we have here?
Well, there was some random plant in my thing when I went to go check it yesterday, and I have no clue what it is. So I just put it in its own pot.
So we have a mystery plant. We'll figure out what it is a little bit later on. But I think this turned out really cute. And if I can just back off a little bit, so we've got it up on our deck. And so just a cute little herb garden that Samantha made up all by herself and made the cute little stones to identify which is which. So easy little project that you can do at home, and it turns out really cute. So good job, Samantha. Hey, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.